Well, this was challenging, humbling. We dragged a little. Last night it was very windy. Yeah, we're pretty hooked right now. I've been seeing the boat go around the anchor, so we're pretty stuck now. But we had to move a couple times. Oh, it's really stressful. And then during the night we dragged a little bit, and then rehooked up. And I don't feel that good. Colin's asleep, I think, I hope. The wind wasn't forecasted on the windy app. It just didn't say that it was going to be here, and then it was. And so it got kind of windy, and wind waves tugging on the anchor. And then it died down maybe 3:30 in the morning. Yeah, by 3:30, 4 o'clock it died, and then we drifted around the other side, and then have sort of been over there since then. So it's like 10 o'clock now, maybe. It's been definitely some boat movement all night, and I got a pit in my stomach for sure. And we can look outside. Here we are. I suppose we probably should have done it was windy with the anchor right next to 1,000 windows. There's a wreck. There's some kind of industrial barges here. It's a Suit Bay. I wonder if there's probably people in there watching it all. They got excavators and stuff on there. This is outrageous. Oh. Look at all that stuff. Bunch of crapolas. Well, we went on a little adventure cruise on the way back. We didn't go straight back. We do a little bit of testing of stuff and get a little more familiar with our little home zone now. We'll build that little zone. There's people out sailing. They're sailing up this little channel over there. I was nervous to motor up there. And they're over there tacking back and forth in that tiny little thing. There's a shoal in the way over there. There's maybe further up that way though. And we can see over here, this is where we went for a dinghy adventure the other day. Well, ta-da! We are back at the dock. There's loud boats. But, here, let's go up on there. So to get this boat into its slip here on the dock, you gotta come in this way, down this channel, hug this vegetation, and then in this little back corner, you gotta turn this 45-foot boat around. So you gotta do this spin right here. Well, there's breeze right now, and so we got pushed down in here. And so we did our little spin there and then came back, and I didn't hit anything. But first go, that's not bad. And we are back now. We're gonna do some repairs, and then we're gonna go out again pretty soon. And I think we found a better anchorage in our little tour that we went on today. So, oh boy.